All right, here we are with Mac. Where are we at?
The presidential suite at Disney's Coronado Springs.
All right, she's gonna show us around.
Yes.
This way. So when you walk in, this is the living space.
Wow, look at that.
What's on the screen though?
It's my birthday.
You didn't tell us.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. Happy birthday.
It's always on the screen. It's just if you hit the button, then it goes to. Yeah.
Oh, so they got a couple trees.
All right, show us the rest of the living space
And
that you
then
called it.
over here's your island, I guess you would say. And it
Okay.
has storage over here.
Okay.
I think that's
Snowman is an island.
Sure. Yeah, that. Yeah. But then over here you have a sink.
Nice.
Small, but that's because.
Ice
Usually
bucket.
we don't show people this in our videos, but these are my drawers.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, sorry. These are my drawers.
Yeah, these are drawers.
All right.
Over here we have an espresso machine.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fancy.
So it makes eggs.
Has it got a little fridge there maybe? Oh.
That's the fun stuff.
Oh, okay.
And a big jug of water. But yeah, then there's a fridge.
Okay.
Usually has stuff in it, but since
It's not stocked yet.
COVID and no club level,
Oh, okay.
that's why. And then this is the dining room.
That's a nice table. Look at
The
the
big
lighting.
table, too.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then you just kind of have this like.
It's a fancy
what would you call
mirror.
it?
A hutch or something?
And that would be a Starsky, because you always put the Starsky in front of them.
And
Hutch.
this is the master bedroom.
Oh my goodness.
There's a mirror there.
It's a little.
Then you have this is a roll door, not a pull door.
So is this one.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Bye-bye,
so
Eddie.
wow! Look at
They're
the
like barn doors.
the detail on the.
Privacy.
Oh my god!
But then there's the closet.
Wow. Okay.
And then we shut this. This is the bed. And then we have this little seat if you want
Little bench there.
to
Oh,
put
look
your
at
shoes on.
look at that cool little couch
Yeah,
there.
it's
Pretty
like-
colors.
look at the view. Maybe if I can find it. Okay. And there's the view. And there's Blizzard Beach over there. There's Hollywood over there. But yeah, there's
Wow.
a couple things.
Cool lighting and the
Yeah, and that's a cool like mirror.
look at that ceiling.
Oh yeah, that's cool. I didn't even look up.
That's cool.
And then if we go over here,
Oh my
the
goodness!
bathroom, and it also has another door.
Look at this temperature.
Oh
setting.
yeah, somebody called it like a tablet.
Wow, this is
Another door.
a huge barn door. Bye.
Excuse you.
We're just gonna
Must have been that
Wow.
bean bag so much.
Wow, this.
There we go.
Wow.
Yeah, there's the toilet.
There's the toilets.
There's the toilet.
The turtle.
Two sinks
Yeah, there's sink there.
with the vanity in the middle. Look at the pretty
And the
lights.
light thingy.
Oh yeah, lighted up lamp. Yeah, that.
And then there's the shower.
What's a shower?
Shower. And it has a seat in here. It's just like a.
Little bench, huh?
Yeah, I think this is the oh god. Accessible one.
Oh yes.
And then of course the bathtub.
That is.
Oh, it has a scale. That's cool.
Oh, well, we don't want to get on that after eating all
No.
the meals. The beautiful tiling.
This is a tile warmer.
Towel warmer.
Can't speak right now.
That's okay. It's kind of overwhelming. This place is amazing, right? This is just.
Just walked in 5 seconds ago.
So then it looks like.
There's,
Yeah.
I think that's like.
Actually, we
door
have
that goes
another
outside.
access entryway.
We want to be sneaky and come in the back entrance.
Let's see. Is
I was like, "Where's Jennifer?"
sorry, I'm being a mom. I'm turning the lights off. Wow. So yeah. So this is the master bedroom.
And now we're going into
Gosh,
the
look
other,
how big this
the
place
other
is.
bedroom.
This is amazing.
Look, you can play tic-tac-toe.
I know, I saw that.
Uh oh. Now we're going into the
Oh, yeah,
other
the-
bedroom. Wow, it's got two
So now
queen
there's two
beds.
queens. So there's
Wow.
one big king, 2 queens. And then over here, this is nice. Somebody worked.
Yeah.
We're not doing that.
No. So yeah, so
Desk,
nice desk area.
Nice view of Hollywood Studios over here.
Oh yeah, look. I can see Galaxy's Edge right
Yeah,
there.
and if you look over there, there's Tower Terror.
There's Tower of Terror.
Try
Well,
to
that's
see
pretty
what's
cool.
over there.
Probably have a good view of it when the fireworks are going, right?
If there was
They're not,
fireworks.
but
if there was
if there was, but
Yeah. Now, here's
another
the
big
other closet.
big barn door closet.
It's like, what's on here? It's the iron.
There's some slippers in there.
Hopefully the size 14 slippers.
Oh my goodness. And then
There's also a color here somewhere.
oh,
How's somebody supposed to shove their fingers in it? Oh.
there we go. Press that little button. Bye. No.
I'm just gonna hope this one doesn't like make a noise.
it is not so far.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the lighting in here.
We have another vanity over here.
So a nice little
Wait, there's a
vanity
light.
area. Oh, whoa.
That's good for TikToks.
Oh my god.
And
We
two
have
sinks with all, look at all the little bathrooms. Yeah. Then you got the water closet.
That's the toilet.
Yeah, that's the water closet. That's a fancy way to say the toilet. Is there lighting for in the shower?
I think there is somewhere. We'll figure it out.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, and there's like a nice seat.
Nice bench. There's some.
It's like hidden. I could like hide there. Like we should play hide and seek. That'd be fun. It's like when it came like
Wow.
hide and seek.
I love
Now-
the colors of the carpet too. It's
It's like
very
teal
pretty.
and Very beachy. Now we're going to the last bathroom.
Now, yes.
By
So
the
it's
front door.
front door. We came in with a cool light and all of this detail, which is amazing.
Then we have like
You've got like a little closet space here.
And then we have
Another.
door for privacy.
Thank goodness, because you need it, because you can go to the bathroom.
Kind of need that.
Wow.
Then we have the sink again.
The cool details.
And the toilet. Toilet though.
So that's 3 thrones in this.
Yeah, there's 3 rooms or bathrooms.
3 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms.
I like the air conditioning.
So yeah, so thanks Mackenzie for helping us do this tour.
Now you have to close out.
I don't know how to like, share, and comment.
Oh, we don't even say that. We just tell people to unsubscribe.
No.
Give us a thumbs down.
No, don't do that
Leave a bad
anyways.
comment.
Don't comment.
And then we say, stay tuned for more tall tales.
And short stories.
Excellent.